FMRB 330 mini round baler is the very best value you can find in the whole world. Not only do we have them in stock right in North Carolina so we can ship them right to you, but these balers are made to last forever, easy to work on, easy to start up, top quality material and workmanship from start to finish. The beauty of these balers is your tractor doesn't even need to have a hydraulic system. It will need to pick up about 1,000 pounds in the 3-point hitch, but even most subcompact tractors do that. So it just runs from the power takeoff. It has a self-contained hydraulic system. You can adjust the density of your bales from lighter to heavier and top quality. These balers are available in twine wrap and also in net wrap. The twine wrap balers, we have them on special sale now. These are very first-class pieces of equipment. 1-year warranty on them. They're made in India, not in China. Excellent products that you'll be proud of for the rest of your life. You'll probably be able to pass these on to your grandchildren. I'm Steve Carver at carverequipment.com, and we look forward to selling you a really great mini round hay baler.